job lot on riding around bits, everything.
So you see all the airbags have gone off. And welcome back to a brand new video. So we're on Devonshire Road, just near Millom Avenue, and apparently there's been a huge police chase, leading police all around Blackpool. The helicopter has been out and that's been in the air for about 40 minutes. So we're going to have a look exactly what is going on. Like I said, this is just near the Bisbam Old Library also, so we're going to have a bit of a look. Come and join me. And welcome back to a brand new video. So we're on Devonshire Road, just near Millom Avenue, and apparently there's been a huge police chase, leading police all around Blackpool. The helicopter has been out and that's been in the air for about 40 minutes. So we're going to have a look exactly what is going on. Like I said, this is just near the Bisbam Old Library also, so we're going to have a bit of a look. Come and join me. So this is just one of the cars what's been involved in the smash, and look at this. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. The lights are in the way, but
Can someone get a brush and just clean the fucking street?
you're right.
There's about 50 tons of
Jeez.
glass all
Oh yeah.
over.
You're right.
You
Jeez.
see this? Hold on. The job lot on riding around bits, everything.
So you can see it just crashed into this bungalow, and look at all the debris all over the road. So it looks like it's a Honda, and there's literally bumpers all over the road. Like I said, this is just near Millom Avenue, and wow, look at this. And you can see, look at it. So I think everybody is okay who was involved. That is the main thing with these things. Everybody. I haven't heard of any casualties or anything like that, which is always the main thing. So let's just whip the camera over. Let's have a bit of a walk up. You're right. Oh, yeah. So apologies if the light isn't brilliant. And this is the BMW. You can see the recovery truck is out there, and look at the state of that one. So you see all the airbags have gone off. See all the officers over there. That is some crash. So just moving on a little forward, the roads, or Devonshire Road is blocked off. Part of Devonshire Road is blocked off, and that's the Langsdale. You can see where the coach is, just over there. So like I say, it's right near a park. And just whip the camera around back again. So it's absolutely ridiculous when things like this do happen. So that car is now being recovered. I imagine that'll be forensics and all sorts will be carried out. So apparently it was, like I said, the chase ended, and it was a head-on crash with a BMW. It failed to stop. You can see that now. It's just been put back on the recovery truck there. So apparently they've had assistance also from the National Police Air Service today. So apparently it sort of came to a bit of a close near the double roundabout, but luckily there's no reports of any casualties at the moment. You just see on the ground there. So that's all petrol probably, or a burst radiator or something. What's come out of that one? And as at the moment it remains, if any arrests have been made at present. So just another angle. We're not going to get too close. We don't want to get involved with the investigation or anything like that. But you see the car now just being raised onto that low loader to be taken away. So again, apologies if, like I said, all the flashing lights are interfering with the picture a little. So I'll just go back, and I feel sorry, like I said, for this car also, and the owner. I'd imagine they'll be very, very upset, and also the gentleman whose house it's completely wrecked. Well, not the house, you know. In fact, come to think of that, the wall is actually okay. Like I say, you can just see all the debris. Somebody said it hit this post, and the red car there was actually stationary, and it smacked into it, and it sent it spinning into that again. That is unconfirmed. So we'll just have one last look. Like I said, I think that's. You see, like I said, clearing up is already starting. So, you know, sort of credit again to the emergency services, and it's luckily, like I said, it hasn't ended in a huge tragedy or loss of life, which is, like I said, always the main thing when these horrible things happen. So that is the end of the video. Like I said, a bit of an update, and again, thankfully, nobody has been hurt in this one. Again, apologies for the light, or the blue, the flashing. And let's have a quick look at the time. So the time is now just gone 10 o'clock. So I'd imagine this one all happened around 9 p.m.